So I will let you know the very important topic which is called sampling distribution. We have a topic which is called sampling distribution. This topic mainly used for standard error of the mean. The sampling distribution, what it is, I will try to make it as simple as possible. We have this line, and in this line we have a population. We cannot study the whole population because the whole population study is impossible. So we take sample 1, then we take sample 2, then we take sample 3. So for example, we take sample 4. We have driven 4 samples from this population. Then we have mean of sample 1, mean of sample 2, mean of sample 3, and mean of sample 4. So now what we have today, the topic is distribution of sample or distribution of sample means. It can be called as distribution of sample or distribution of sampling means. Whatever the name is, you should not confuse. Then we have this population. From this population we have driven 4 samples and each has a mean. So we have 4 samples and we have 4 sample means. Now what we do, we have this sample number 1 mean, then we have this sample number 2 mean, we have this sample number 3 mean, we have this sample number 4 mean. Now what we do, we display these sample means on the graph. We put or display these 4 sample means on the graph. To display and putting the sample means on the graph is called sampling distribution. To display or putting all the sample means that you have driven from population is called sampling distribution or sampling distribution of means. And then we get a curve. This curve is called probability curve. So the probability curve is a curve in which we display or put all these sample distributions or sample distribution of means that we derive from the population. This is the whole concept. You should not make it confuse. I tried to understand you in a very easy and simple way. Thank you so much. Share the video with your friends, teachers, students.